Okay, so it's time to get some good tires on this lawnmower. I'm going to show you a little trick. Simple tools. Need a bench vise. Obviously you need a rim, a tire. In this case, it's a Carlisle 20 by 8 by 8 NHS. Some soapy water, 2 pair of vice grips, an assortment of slotted screwdrivers, and a tire tool. The smaller the tire, the smaller these pry bars can be. The key to this are these vice grips and this ratty old heavy-duty slotted screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rim in here, and we're going to mount it tightly to the vise. Whole bunch of soapy water onto the tire. Okay, that's on. Okay, so that's what you gotta do. You gotta get started like that. We're just about there. Just gotta get a little bit more over the top. Point, probably just beat it on. There you go. 2 vice grips, 2 big screwdrivers, big screwdriver, and a vise. Now we're going to seal the tire on the rim with soapy water. An air pig at 120.